our setup and plan, our outlook and plan, and clearly you can see the market's moving up on external structure, right? So what's our plan? Our plan is very, very simple. On external structure, we're looking for buys. On internal structure, we're looking for sells or buys. It doesn't matter. So what's our plan? You can clearly see that we had our last break of structure on our external structure. Then we got 15 minutes for our internal market structure. That's a break of structure. Then you had our change of character to the downside. Then we have our new swing high. Internal swing high, and we have our first order block, which is here, and we have our second order block. So what's our plan? Our plan is very, very simple. Though we have ppm late in the evening, we're going to wait for the price. You get our sell confirmation. That's scenario number one. Then scenario number two, we're going to wait for the price to come here, and then we continue selling. Then plan number three, we're going to wait for the, if we don't get that sell confirmation from this point of interest, this order block, then we're going to wait for the break and retest, then continuation. Those are the three scenarios I'm expecting, so that you can target this swing high, external swing high. Okay, for Euro USD, super simple price action. You can see the market is moving up in our external structure. If this happens, but we are looking for buys on external structure, I told you don't predict, and you don't have to wait for my confirmation because you already know my strategy. You can also go out and get your entry and you press a trade and you make money. I'll be very happy too. Then you have our break of structure. Then change of character. And then you have a break of structure. Any slight mistake, you read the price. This is a break of structure to the downside. Once it is 1, 2. Then change of character to the downside. Then break of structure to the downside. Then change of character to the upside. This is internal market structure, and it's very, very important. Then you have our sell order block. Then what's my plan? There's two scenarios. Wait for the price to come here. Then you get our confirmation. Then you continue selling the price to the downside if you get confirmation from here. And if the price disrespect this zone, then you're going to wait for the break and retest. Then the continuation. Right? Those are the two scenarios I'm expecting. Then for gold, super simple price action. You're still looking for buys because of a change of character, break of structure, sorry, to the upside. Then you had the liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep here. Then you got 15 minutes for break of structure to the upside. And a break of structure to the upside. Then internal market structure shifted to the downside. Then you had a continuation to the downside, break of structure. So have two scenarios here still, because you can see you have our supply, our first supply zone, which is this one, and then you have our second one. Now this one is not valid. Need a valid one. I think it's this one. Is this valid? Yep. So what are these two? We have three scenarios here. Wait for the price to put up here, and then if you get our sell confirmation, then you continue selling. That's scenario number one. Then scenario number two, wait for the price to tap in to this order block. Then we continue. That's scenario number two. And then scenario number three, wait for the price to break here, retest, then a continuation to the upside. Three scenarios. We just have to be patient and we get our entry confirmation either today or on Monday. Then we have this still the same thing, and our break of structure to the upside, then change of character to the downside, then have our first order block, sell order block, then have our second sell order block. Then you go down to so have these supplies on here. Then we had our continuation of the downside. Now we are marking out our internal market structure. then change of character here to the downside, change of character to the downside, then this is a supply zone on the block. So I have 2 scenarios here, 3, 4, 5 scenarios. After getting confirmation from here, and then you have also this one, you have this supply, this supply. The most important thing is to wait for the any tap, then you wait for market structure shift on 1 minute, liquidity sweep on 1 minute, then market structure shift, then we continue. This is our confirmation pattern on 1 minute time frame. Then for this super simple, breaker structure to the downside because the market is melting down at our last breaker structure to the change of character to the downside. Then gonna be patient for this, wait for it to tap in here, then you get our confirmation to the downside, then just like that, just like that. That's it, guys. And you just have to be patient and wait for the price to come to our point of interest, then wait for the confirmation, then we take the trade confidently. So today I have ppm. I have to be very aware of it. It's low, but it's a little